In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to disassemble your Xbox 360S console. Now, please excuse this really crappy paint job. I didn't do too good of a job, but what you want to start with is this is the bottom. If you're standing it up, you just want to take the hard drive cover off and then just pull up on this grill piece like so. Flip it over. And then I like to get a little flathead screwdriver, just put it in one of the grills and just pull straight up like that, and it'll pop right out. Now this is the most irritating part. Now you need a small screwdriver for this part. I'm using a 1/16 flathead. And what you want to do is get your fingernails in between this plastic, or this like plastic grill and the case plastic, and start putting tension on it, because there are 6 clips. There's one right here, 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 and here. I like to start on the front. You just want to push your screwdriver down in there until you feel resistance, and then pull out while simultaneously pulling up on the plastic. And you just want to do that all the way around. And this is the easiest part. And then you want to get a T10 screwdriver to get this Wi-Fi card out. Like so. Just set that aside. Then you want to flip it over. Get your small screwdriver again. And same procedure like the other side, but the clips are smaller, so they're more difficult to get to. Like this one right here. And sometimes I gotta go in from the side to get that clip, because you can see it. It's really hard to show on camera, but you can really see it in person. And then get this clip. There's one more clip right there. It's really hard to get to. You sort of got to guess where it is. And just pop it out like that. The grill comes off. Okay, so when you get around to this side with the Wi-Fi card, there'll be 2 clips right here. You want to be pushing apart the case plastics while you pull up on each clip. Now be careful, these clips are usually brittle, so you don't want to break them, because then your plastic will be really loose on the back. You want to do the other side. Now it's really hard to show on camera, but there's a clip right there. It's kind of dark in there. You just want to pull the plastic apart. Now this part's a little difficult, because you gotta hold this plastic apart, and behind this sticker right here there's gonna be a little pinhole. Now you can use anything that'll fit in there. I've used the leg of an LED before, because you just gotta push that last clip in like that, and you'll feel it once it pops out. So then the bottom will come off. You just want to pick it up from the back. You'll hear it clip off on the front, and just pull out like that. So when you get to this part, there'll be 5 black T10 screws. They're non-security, so you can just use any T10 driver. And if you're just going to be taking the top shell off to get to the heatsink to clean it out, this is all you'll need to do. But if you want to take the whole motherboard out, you'll need to take out these 4 T8 screws. They're non-security as well. No Xbox currently I know of it uses security torques. So then you want to remove these 9 T10 screws around here, and that's holding the motherboard down, but I'm just showing how to get into the console today. So same as the bottom, you just want to pick up and it'll come off, and you want to be super careful with this this faceplate because it has a ribbon cable right there. So you want to pull this little plastic piece up, while pull this little beige plastic out to unlock the ribbon cable. And there you go, it comes right off like that. And then for the disk drive, it just pops up most of the time. Sometimes those clips on the side get really irritating. And then you just want to unplug the SATA and the power cables from the back of it. And there you go. And your Xbox 360 won't have these wires in it. I just have a LED mod in it. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it really helped. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day.